Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to create WorldFirst account. First, open your web browser and go to the official WorldFirst website. When the homepage opens, click on the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Next, you'll need to select your country. If you are from the United States, you will see a message saying that your country is supported by a WorldFirst affiliate called Xyla. Click on Continue to be redirected to the Xyla website. Don't worry, the sign-up process is the same as it is on the official WorldFirst site. Once you are on the registration page, start by entering your full name and your email address. After entering your email, click on the Send Code button to verify it. Check your inbox for the verification code, then enter that code on the website to confirm your email address. After verifying your email, you'll need to create a strong password. Make sure it's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. When your password is set, click on Continue. Now you'll be asked to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number, then click on Send Code. You will receive a text message with a code. Enter that code on the page to confirm your phone number. Next, you need to select your account type. You can choose between company or individual. Select the one that best fits your situation. After that, the site will ask for a few more personal details. This can include information such as your social security number if you're in the United States, or photos of your ID for verification purposes. If you don't want to provide these details right now, you can click on the Save and Return button. This will allow you to pause the process and still create your account. Once you've completed these steps, your WorldFirst or Xyla account will be successfully created, and you can log in anytime to finish verification later. Thanks for watching.